Hey guys, sorry for the appearance, long time no see. It's me, Ariana, back with another video. If you don't like me or my videos, then you don't have to watch it. But today, we're gonna be organizing like my little area over here where I have everything, like my makeup, my beauty stuff. Literally my life is over in this corner. So this might be a two-part video. I have no idea yet. I don't even know if this is going up. So, long time no see. Anyway, okay, here, let's just get right into it. At Walmart, I bought a new vanity tray just because I need more space to make my stuff like look cute instead of having everything like cluttered and, you know, in the same spot. This is just like an overview of what my stand looks like right now. Don't mind it because I told you it was messy. First, we need to get rid of all the trash. Let me empty out this Walmart bag and put all my trash in there. It's a couple days later now. Sorry for not finishing this video. I mean, it doesn't really mean anything to you because it's not even up yet. But, yeah, let's just deal with all of this stuff first. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set my Alexa on my bed because I don't want that to be broken. We're gonna take all of these lotions I have on here and also set them on my bed because they need to be out of the way. And then I don't know what to do with that stuff. I think I'm going to end up putting the shelf up there on top of that. I'll show you how it looks when it's done if I end up doing it. I just put on a t-shirt so it looked a little bit more put together. But I think I'm gonna move my jewelry box up here because I did move that stand. I'll show you guys when I'm done. But I'm gonna move my jewelry box up here just because so I have more room on this shelf there. It never cooperates, so I just threw it on a button and it's still not even cute. So don't mind my pee. So I already did a little bit of redecorating. This is what I have so far done. And then I had a bunch of stuff on my bed. So I did a little bit more. I did put that tray up there. I took a couple of the things off and I moved it around a little bit. Then down here I moved, well, this was on this tray, so I took that off. And then I put my purse back there and I put this picture on here. And then I put these little guys up here with this, and then I put my brushes there. I have more brushes, they're just not in there. I forgot to put them away. And then that's all I did so far. So this is how it is so far because I'm done for now. Don't mind the water bottle right there. Couldn't find it. Then I have most of my makeup stuff there, and then I have some of that up there. But this is pretty much it. Forgot to say that I didn't touch all of my like Bath and Body Works stuff. That's right here. Well, you can't see it, but on the shelf you know where it is if you watched the video. I'm gonna do a separate video possibly of me taking those out, putting those away, or yeah, taking those, putting those away, and taking the other ones out that I want to use for summer. I don't know if that'll be interesting, but we could probably do that and make that something cool for a different-ish video. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It is short. It's probably like 3 or 4 minutes long, but I didn't expect it to be long. I just wanted to get something out to you guys, so I was, still uploading and everything. There will be another update video because that's pretty much all I do at this point is update videos. But there will be one because I'm graduating soon, so I'll be talking about that stuff. I have videos planned. Don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna promise, but we're hoping. Bye.